Okay, so here we've got this delicious, really hearty dish. We are gonna do some, I have long arms, we're gonna do some broth and we're gonna grate some more garlic, if you don't mind, into the bottom. Then I've got these sweet potatoes and I just have them. I'm gonna leave the skin on them. You don't have to do any other prep whatsoever.
Awesome.
These are gonna go in the bottom of the slow cooker with the broth and the garlic, and you're gonna put them cut side down. We are gonna deal with the skins on these later.
Alrighty.
Now we've got some chicken thigh, so we're gonna throw a layer of chicken thigh in. And then there's gonna be some salt, pepper, and thyme kind of sprinkled over one layer. So if you could do that as I add these in.
Gotcha.
And then we're just gonna repeat. So we've got salt, pepper, and thyme. I'm gonna throw another layer of chicken in. We're gonna do salt, pepper, and thyme, And I don't know about you, but I rarely use measuring cups.
Oh, never,
Like measuring spoons for stuff like this.
Yeah.
Totally, yeah. So we've got this salt, pepper, thyme, and then we're gonna add some sliced mushroom and some sliced red onion.
Yep, okay.
Throw it right in.
Great.
And then, did I already add the broth? Perfect.
You got your stock already in there.
And
pop the lid on this
are
guy?
gonna pop the lid. This is gonna be 6 to 7 hours on low, or like 3.5 on high.
Gotcha.
And then this is fantastic. So what you're gonna end up doing is you're gonna take the chicken and the mushroom and the onion out. The sweet potato, you're gonna take the skin off, throw it in a bowl. You're gonna add a little bit of coconut oil.
Gotcha.
And some salt and pepper and kind of mash it all up.
Mash this
and
guy
I'll plate
here.
this, yeah. And I would probably put...
But there was no oil or fat of any kind in either of these.
No, nope.
In the base dish.
Exactly, yeah. So you can kind of do your added fat in the sweet potato exactly as much as you want. And you could even use like a clarified butter or a ghee if you wanted to. And you would do a side of that sweet
But not
potato
olive oil
here.
in your potatoes?
Oh, yeah, you could do olive oil too, of course. Yeah, anything you like. I think it would all taste good. So after you've got that all mashed, what I really love about this is I've got some pre-cooked crispy bacon. So I'm gonna throw some crispy bacon over the top. Yes, I like using bacon as a condiment on the Whole30, not like a protein source. I've got some fresh thyme there.
Gotcha.
And if you could add some sweet potato.
And then do we scoop this right alongside?
That's exactly what I would do, yeah. Or you could even do the sweet potato.
Grab a spoon and get it in there, or do the sweet potato even underneath. But I think
you could do the sweet
side
potato underneath, yeah.
Right, because you still have to cut through the chicken though.
Yeah,
right?
you do. And what I also like to do is just add some of the juice from this dish. Because the mushrooms and the bacon, I know it's so good, looks so good, right? Especially for fall. Like a nice little umami flavor.
Very autumnal, right?
Exactly.
Gorgeous.
Yeah.
Remember, half the book is Instapot too, if you have one of those, because it's another trend that's sweeping the country. But everybody gets to go home and give it a try. Everybody's going home with the Whole30 slow cooker. So generous of you. Thank you so much.